First data type which we are taking is the integer. Everybody knows that integer is defined with the help of int. And if I have to declare a variable, I will say int a. And if I have to declare some value, then I will say int a, and a is equal to 10. So in that memory location, what will happen? One memory will be reserved, the name will be a, and the value will be 10. There can be some memory address also, okay, that we are not focusing right now. The integer type has a value without any decimal. So there is no decimal or floating type values are present. Only the normal values are there, 1, 2, 3. But decimal is not there. All C compiler offer different types. Means whatever the types are given, that will depend upon the C compiler. There are short integer, long integer, signed integer, unsigned integer. When variable is declared without short or long keyword, by default it is short signed int. So you must know that this is very much important. Short signed int is the by default choice. Now short, whenever you want to store less memory, then short is there. You want to consume more memory, long is there. More memory means you can store large values. Short memory means you can store the less value of integer. Signed. Signed means positive and negative both values can come. Unsigned. Only positive values will come. So this is the difference. Now we are going into the detail of this thing. So all of you, we are understanding now short versus long integer. As we are saying, short integer, it occupies 2 bytes only. This is the by default option where integers store the 2 bytes. The starting turbo C, it takes the 2 byte. That's why we used to say integer take 2 bytes of the memory. And you already know it, there is a formula by which we can derive the range. So range is minus 327682 to 32767. So in the 2 byte of memory, this range is there. Because there is less memory, so program will run faster. Whenever you execute your program is first saved to the primary memory, then your program work. But let us suppose that your program is taking huge memory, so it will be slow. That's why the less memory required, program will be faster. And what are the format specifier? Some compiler use %d, some use %i. So these are the format specifiers. Now if I compare this one with the long integer, it occupy 4 byte. See, the values are same, means integer values can be taken without floating. Let us suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4 is integer value, 1, 2, 3 is integer value. So all the values are integer. But how much long you can go? That will be with the help of the long keyword. If you apply, or short means if you want the small values to be stored. So there with the long you can see that 4 bytes of the memory it will take, and you can calculate that the range will go minus this one to this one, which is minus 2147 483 6482 2147 483647. So the huge range is there only by applying the long. But remember one thing, when you apply the long, program will be slow. Why slow? You are reserving so much memory. Huge memory your program want. If your program want more memory, then for sure you need more RAM. More RAM means the program will be slower. And format specifier is LD. So LD is for your long integer. So that is the difference between short versus long integer. Next we are having the difference between signed versus unsigned integer. Now the integer, if we apply the signed, by default this signed is already applied. You apply the signed or not, integer by self is signed. It takes 2 byte of memory and it is from minus to plus. So minus 327,682 plus 32767. So that was the range. Now the format specifier is same as we have learned in the last slide, that is percentage %d or percentage %i, and this is how we can declare int b is equal to 2, and there is signed is not required. If you apply the signed keyword or not, that doesn't matter. Now talking about the unsigned integer, in the unsigned integer same memory is there, 2 byte of memory. But here you have to apply unsigned keyword. Unsigned means no negative values. If no negative values there, this value is coming to that side and this positive size will be more. Because you know that if we are having this amount of memory in our system, let us suppose that this is the whole memory. If I start from here, 0 is this way. So I can go till minus and I can go till plus. Let us suppose that this is minus 5 and this is plus 5. So whole memory was 10. But if in the same memory I treat this one as 0, so I can go till positive 10 side. So same what we are doing with the help of unsigned. Means if we don't want the negative values, then we can take the only positive values, and this positive value will increase the range. Earlier the range was 32767 positive side, but now 65535 in the positive side. Actual range is same, but by applying unsigned, the positive range is more because negative is nothing. And if you apply unsigned integer, format specifier will be percentage %u, u for unsigned. Now unsigned b, and this value can be stored or any other value you want to store. So that is the difference between signed and unsigned integer.